Hello, here we are seeing the basic structure of goods and service tax, right? This is the basic structure of goods and service tax. In this video we will come to know about the basic structures of goods and service tax, and after this video we will conclude what is GST and what are its variations and functionalities of workings under the GST, and why it has been introduced by avoiding all of the earlier kind of taxes, and it has been subsumed by 14 type of taxes which was earlier prevailing before introduction of GST, right? For example, value added tax or corporate tax or entertainment tax or any cess, etc. There were 14 types of different types of taxes before the introduction of goods and service tax. Now the basic flow chart of this goods and service tax is being mentioned here. So as after going all through this chart, we will come to know about the basic structure of the goods and service tax. Goods supplied or services provided is divided into two parts. It might be supplied within the same state. If the goods or service supplied within the same states, it is called intra-state. Intra means within the same state, and when the goods and services provided inter-state, for example, from one state to another state, it becomes inter-state. And in this intra-state and inter-state difference is basically in when the supply is intra-state, then it will when the supply is intra-state, then it will attract two types of taxes, that is CGST and SGST. For example, there is 4 slab rate of taxes. So, for example, one is exempted goods, another is 5% tax slab rate, and 12%, 18% and 28%. These are the 4 slab rate given by the government in the GST. And in these 4 slab rates there is division. For example, in case of intra-state supply of goods or services, it will applicable. For example, in this intra-state supply of that particular goods, it attracts 12% of GST, right? In this 12%, we have to divide 6% CGST and 6% SGST. And in case of the same goods is being supplied within the inter-state, for example, from one state to another state, it will attract IGST at the round of rate of 12%. Here we have divided 6% throughout this state government. One is CGST and another is SGST, that is SGST state GST and CGST is central GST. And in this case it only attracts IGST at the rate of 12% if the goods were being supplied under the 12% slab rate. So this is the basic structure of GST, and there is only these 5 kinds of GST slab rate which is being given by the government till now.